Achieving a balanced body proportion is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their physique. For MTF, male to female, crossdressers and femboys, building thick female thighs can be a significant aspect of creating a more traditionally feminine appearance. This guide aims to provide comprehensive steps and tips to help you achieve this goal. Balanced body proportions are essential for a harmonious and aesthetically pleasing look. For MTF crossdressers and femboys, this often involves accentuating curves to emulate the female form. Thick thighs contribute to a curvier silhouette, making the waist appear smaller and enhancing the overall feminine aesthetic. This balance not only boosts confidence but also aids in fitting into women's clothing more naturally. To start building thick female thighs, focus on compound exercises like squats and lunges that target the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Incorporating weightlifting into your routine can help increase muscle mass and promote muscle growth in your thighs. Additionally, ensure you are consuming enough protein to support muscle recovery and growth. Incorporate variations into your workout routine such as sumo squats or Bulgarian split squats to target different areas of your thighs for a well-rounded look. Don't forget the importance of consistency and rest in between workouts to allow your muscles time to recover and grow stronger. Remember, everyone's body is unique, so it's important to listen to yours and adjust your routine accordingly for optimal results. To build thick thighs, incorporating strength-building exercises targeting the thighs and calves is crucial. Some effective exercises include: squats are fundamental for thigh development. They work the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Start with bodyweight squats and gradually add weights as you progress. Lunges target multiple muscle groups in the legs. Perform walking lunges or stationary lunges, adding dumbbells for increased resistance. Leg press. This gym machine allows you to push weights with your legs, focusing on the thighs and glutes. Calf raises. Don't forget the calves. Stand on a raised surface with your heels hanging off the edge, then raise your body using your calf muscles. Deadlifts. This compound exercise works your entire lower body and is excellent for building overall leg strength. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 3 to 4 sessions per week, with adequate rest in between to allow muscles to recover and grow. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in muscle growth. To build thick thighs, your diet should be rich in protein and healthy fats. Protein is the building block of muscles. Incorporate lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and plant-based proteins like tofu and tempeh. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production and overall health. Include sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet. Complex carbohydrates. These provide sustained energy for workouts. Opt for whole grains, sweet potatoes, and vegetables. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for muscle recovery and overall health. A balanced diet supports muscle growth, enhances workout performance, and helps in achieving the desired body proportion. Focus on waist trimming exercises. To accentuate thick thighs, a slimmer waist can create a more dramatic contrast. Waist trimming exercises include: strengthen your core and improve overall stability. Target your obliques and help cinch your waist. Bicycle crunches. These work the entire core, emphasizing the oblique muscles. Focus on the lower abdominal muscles for a toned waist. Incorporate these exercises into your routine to create a balanced, hourglass figure. Staying hydrated is essential for muscle recovery and overall health. Water helps transport nutrients to muscles, aids in digestion, and keeps your skin looking healthy. Aim for at least 8-10 glasses of water per day, more if you're engaging in intense workouts. Shapewear can provide an immediate enhancement to your thighs while you work on building muscle. Look for padded shorts or leggings designed to add volume to the thighs and hips. These can be worn under clothing to give the appearance of thicker thighs and a curvier silhouette. Once you've achieved thicker thighs, you'll want to show them off. Here are some outfit ideas that complement and highlight your new shape. Heels are excellent for enhancing the appearance of your legs. They elongate the legs, accentuate the calves, and make your thighs look more defined. Choose heels with comfortable support to ensure you can wear them confidently. Loose-fitting shorts provide a relaxed, casual look while still showcasing your thighs. Pair them with a fitted top to balance the outfit and emphasize your waist. Jeans are a versatile option for any wardrobe. Opt for high-waisted jeans to highlight your waist and create a curvier look. Skinny or straight-leg jeans can accentuate your thighs, while bootcut jeans offer a balanced silhouette. Skirts are perfect for highlighting thick thighs and creating a feminine look. Align skirts, pencil skirts, and flared skirts each offer different styles that can accentuate your curves. Choose lengths and fits that make you feel comfortable and confident. Dresses are ideal for showing off your entire figure. Fit and flare dresses highlight the waist and flare out to emphasize the hips and thighs. Bodycon dresses cling to your curves, showcasing your hard-earned shape. Capturing flattering thigh pictures involves a mix of posing techniques, outfit selection, and creativity. Here's how to nail those thigh pics. Utilize pose techniques for a flattering look. Crossed legs. Sitting with your legs crossed can highlight the curves of your thighs. Side angle. Taking photos from a slight side angle can give a better perspective of your thigh shape. Kneeling. Kneeling poses can create an attractive line through the legs and thighs. Practice different poses to find what best showcases your thighs. Choose outfits that highlight your thighs. Tight jeans, shorts, skirts, and dresses can all be great choices. Experiment with different styles and colors to see what looks best in photos. A creative background can enhance your thigh pictures. Look for interesting settings like parks, urban streets, or cozy indoor spaces. The environment can add context and interest to your photos. Experiment with various camera angles to find the most flattering shots. High angles can elongate the legs, while low angles can make the thighs appear thicker. Use different perspectives to create visually appealing images. Common mistakes to avoid when building thighs. When working on building thicker thighs, it's important to avoid common pitfalls that can hinder progress. While building thigh muscle is important, neglecting other body parts can lead to an unbalanced look. Ensure you maintain a full-body workout routine that includes exercises for the upper body and core. Eating too little or not getting the right balance of nutrients can sabotage your efforts. Follow a well-balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to fuel muscle growth. Not drinking enough water can lead to muscle fatigue and hinder recovery. Make hydration a priority in your fitness routine. Building muscle takes time and consistency. Avoid the temptation to skip workouts or give up if you don't see immediate results. Stick to your routine and be patient with your progress. Building thick female thighs as an MTF crossdresser or femboy involves a combination of strength training, proper nutrition, and lifestyle adjustments. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can achieve a balanced, feminine physique that boosts your confidence and enhances your overall look. Remember to be patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of transforming your body. With dedication and the right approach, you'll be able to rock any outfit and capture stunning thigh pictures that highlight your hard work. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request for you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.